Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Editors. If your brother printer is printing smeared, sticky, or faded pages, don't worry about it. I will tell you how you can go in and fix it in this video. Especially these instructions in this video are valid for Windows 11 users. Before we dive into any troubleshooting, the first thing I wanted to go ahead and check if you have sufficient amount of ink available in the printer. If there's any ink low, you should go ahead and replace it. Or if you're using toner, go ahead and refill that. In second step, go ahead and unplug the power cord from the wall. Leave it out for about a minute, plug it back in, and try printing again. And now, in the step number 3, we will do the real deal. We will clean the printer to get optimum quality performance from it. On your Windows computer, press and hold Windows and I button together. That will take you to settings directly. On the left menu, click on Bluetooth and devices. On the right side, look for printer and scanners. Click on it. In this list, you will see your printer. Like we have here, Brother MFC J875DW. Click on it to expand. Further in this window, we need to look for printing preferences. Click on it. Now this is going to bring a dedicated printer driver window for us. In this window, you're going to see 4 tabs at the top: Basic, Advanced, Print Profiles, Maintenance. We click on Maintenance here. Now, in this window, you have 3 options highlighted: Test Print, Standard Cleaning, Advanced Cleaning. So the first step, you can go ahead and run a test print and then check what exactly problem we have with our print quality. If there are few minor print defects on the test page, such as missing content or maybe blurred areas on it, then you should simply go ahead and run the standard cleaning. However, if you have a problem with the overall print quality, like it is not even printing correctly or it is showing some kind of major print defects in the whole sheet, you should simply go ahead and do the advanced cleaning. These are 2 options. So if you are ready to do this standard cleaning, click on it. And then you can simply go ahead and choose all. If you know specifically the problem is with your black ink or color, then you can also choose one of these options from here. However, I'm going to choose all, click OK. Now this is going to take a moment. It will just spin, do a cleanup within the printer. For many users, the printer quality problem would be fixed just after standard cleaning. However, now we can go ahead and move to advanced cleaning if that did not fix the problem. Then again, you can choose black or color cleaning, whichever you want. I choose all, click OK. Now again, printer is going to do cleanup inside and then spit out a sheet once it's completed. It may take extra time than the regular print, so don't worry about it because it's doing the cleaning inside. Now by following these instructions, you can conveniently clean up your brother printer and get the optimum quality performance from it. That should fix the problem. Additionally, you can also go ahead and ensure that your brother printer is up to date, like it's got latest firmware on it. If you don't know how to update your brother printer and install the latest firmware on it, I will go ahead and attach a dedicated link for the video we made about it. And that's it in this video. This is how you can quickly go ahead and do a cleanup on your brother printer using Windows 11 computer within just a couple of minutes. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also you can subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. You can also share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, you have a lovely rest of day, and I'll see you in the next one.